Now let's deep dive into the next topic, that is locators. So locators are usually used to locate the elements, as the name suggests, in our web page. Whenever we are interacting with a particular web page using our Selenium or Playwright code, then these are useful in order to perform certain actions, or you need to write a text into a particular search, you need to do certain search items, or you need to take a screenshot, whether as we have seen in our earlier video. So that's why we need to understand the basics of how locators work and everything. So as those who might have been familiar with Selenium, so they know that how we face difficulties in locating the web elements using XPath, and it looks like pretty scary, right, to locate the locators. But unlike Selenium, in Playwright what we do is it is user friendly or user centric locators we use. So we will get into one by one, like how we can use locators in Playwright. Unlike Selenium, it is too easy. Just hold on with me in the video, and we will understand in a very core and deep level. So yeah, so let's start it. So first of all, what I have done is I have created my test class as usual, and there I have just used the boilerplate code, and here I am using my GitHub repo for locating the locators and performing certain actions in the locators. So first of all, we will understand GetByRole locator. So GetByRole, let's go here. So here this is my page, or like repository of GitHub. So what I will do is I will sign in. I will click on sign in button here using GetByRole locator. So let's write our code. So await page dot GetByRole GetByRole, and here I will simply provide, I am using name, right, to locate by role, right. So I will be using this sign in name, and I will be clicking on here in the particular locator, right. So let's do it. So what I will do is I will click on this particular link, that is sign in, right. So let's write me here link, and so this locator is particularly used to get click on the button, click on the link, and other kind of stuffs. So I am clicking with the help of name, right, sign in. So sign in, and I will be performing click here. Okay, so as you can see here, I have given the GetByRole locator, and this is the link which I need to click on, sign in, right. So for that, what I have used is I am providing the name in other as a parameter, and here I am providing sign in. So what this code will do is it will go and search sign in text, and there it will perform click action. As you can see, this is a user centric locator, right. We don't need to inspect, or we don't need to write a particular XPath or CSS selector here. So this is GetByRole. I will simply click on run. Let's see, test is running, and as you can see, our browser context has opened, and it has clicked on to the sign into GitHub link. See, as you can see here, if I am clicking on here, it will be redirecting me to this page, and that is only performed here. So this is GetByRole. You can try other possibilities here, what can be used and all after this video. Now quickly we will jump to GetByLabel. So I will comment this GetByLabel. So again I will just copy get await page here, and here page GetByLabel. Okay, GetByLabel. So here I will show you like we can click any button, link or any web item using GetByLabel. So what I mean by that is, I will go here again, I will inspect here. I need to go to GitHub homepage, okay, by clicking onto this icon, okay, or this image you can see here, the GitHub logo, right? So I am selecting this logo, and here I will be selecting this and clicking on here. So it will open the home page with the help of area label. Okay, so you can use any other labels as well other than area label, right? But here we will be using area label. So 1 minute. Okay, this is it. I will just open it here. Here is the area label, right? Home page. I will simply copy this and I will paste it here. This is the area label which I am passing, and I will put it one more thing here, that is exact true. So what this will do is this GetByLabel, it will go and search for homepage label, okay, and homepage area label, and if this is exactly same text which is in there in the home page, then that only if this is present, then only this will be searched, and it will be we will perform action in this web element. If I am not providing this exact true, then this will not search exactly, as the name only suggests it. Okay, so what I will do is exact true, and then also one more thing is there, like we have so many area labels in our web page. So how we can distinguish like which area label I need to select? So what I will do is, I will this is the first area label, okay, which we are encountering here. As you can see here, there are no area labels. If you will search here, you will find that this is the first one. So I will simply first pass it here and then click here. Okay, so that makes sense now. Click. Now let's go and let's see how it works. Let's run our test. Test is running. Let's see the home page of the GitHub has been open here, and our test has successfully passed. Now we will learn about GetByAltText. Okay, usually we use this to click on images, to click on logos of shopping website and all. So it is useful, very useful. Like it will search by text on the images and click on there. So we will just copy this await page and get by alt text. Now I will go here. We have already inspected this, so this is the image which I have here. Let's go here and let's see, like this is the alt tab, and here this text has been provided, and I am using this only. I will copy this text, I will put it down here, and what this will do is this will go and this will on this alt tab, whatever the text is provided, it will match with this. If this is matching, then it will if I'm performing click action, then it will click here. So that's how it works. Okay, so if in case developer has not provided any alt text, then what will happen is this will not be clicked and test case will fail. So what we can understand by this is that if the image is not been clicked, and if this is not getting showed, like I will click here and this is not getting passed, so developer has forgot to add the alt text, and this visually impaired people usually they will not be able to like recognize this, and that's how we can double verify our testing. So that is one of the aspects which we need to consider. So always as a tester we need to check each and every possibility, and accordingly we need to carefully run the test. So let's run this test here, and it should click this image. So it has started our testing, and see, this image has been clicked and the test has been passed. I hope you got a basic understanding of all this. You can try it on yourself, and in the next video we will be dealing with few other locators which are more important. So that's it for the video, guys, and thanks for watching the video.